Good day and welcome to Mathematics Grade 2. Today we're going to take a look at the work for week 7, day 3, which is 2D Shapes Part 2. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact me via email at teachernarisha@gmail.com. For today's counting activity, please make use of the following prompts and do the counting activity. We are counting to 150 today. Please pause this page as the children do the counting activity. For the mental maths, please only allocate 1 minute for the number bonds of 13, then count in even numbers from 0 to 150 and count in odd numbers from 0 to 150. The goal and aim for today's lesson is the features of shapes. We are going to describe, sort and compare 2D shapes in terms of their size, color, shape, straight sides and round sides. So our first activity is, what is a 2D shape? Who can remember? A 2D shape is any shape that can be laid flat on a piece of paper. Yesterday we met 4 friends. Cindy's circle, she has one side, the side is curved and she has no corners. We also met Sally square, she has 4 sides, her sides are all the same size and she has 4 corners. Then we met Tommy triangle, who has 3 sides, his sides are straight and he has 3 corners. And lastly we met Robbie rectangle, who has 4 sides, his opposite sides are the same length and he has 4 corners. For our first activity today, we have to sort out the following shapes into the correct boxes. We have a box for the circles, a box for the squares, a box for the triangles and a box for the rectangles. So first let's look for our circles. I see a circle here, one here, another one here. Can you see another circle? At the top. So let's put them into their box. Now we have to look for the squares. I see one square over here, another one over here, one over here, and this square is next to a rectangle, so watch out. So we saw 4 squares. Let's put them into their box. Now we have to look for triangles. We are only left with triangles and rectangles, so they should be fairly easy. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Let's put them into their boxes. And then we are only left with 4 rectangles, which we can easily put into their box. Now we have to look for the circles that are the same size as the circle on the box. Let's start at the top. This circle looks like it could be the same size. Let's see. Yes, it is. This circle is too small. This one is even smaller. And this one is way too small. This is an oval. You better watch out. I see another circle that's too small. This circle looks like it's the right size. Here's a circle that's too small. Another oval. It's too small, too small. Another oval. This circle is nice and big. I believe it was going to fit into the box. Here, this circle is quite obvious. It's right next to the box. And then we had the circle at the back over here, which also fits into the box. Then we are left with a bunch of ovals and 2 small circles. Now we have to organize our shapes according to their color. So first let's look for all the red shapes. I see a red rectangle, a red triangle and a red circle. Now we have to look for pink shapes. I see a pink triangle, a pink rectangle and a pink triangle again. Let's put them in the boxes. For orange, I see one orange square and another orange square. Let's look for yellow, one yellow rectangle and one yellow circle. See, that was fairly easy, wasn't it? Now we have to sort out the shapes on the right hand of the screen into the 2 boxes on the left hand. We have to say if the shape has a straight side or a round side. So first let's look over here. This is a circle. We know circles have one side and it's round and no corners. So, therefore it has round sides. Oh look, it's Cindy's circle. Now we have the square. Square has 4 corners and 4 straight sides that are the same length. So this must be straight sides box. Oh, look, it's Sally Square. Now, if you look at the triangle, we see the triangle has three straight sides and it has three corners. This triangle is Tommy Triangle. Lastly, we are left with a rectangle. We see it has four straight sides. The two opposite sides are the same length and it has four corners. So we put it underneath the straight sides box. Look, it's Robbie Rectangle. So all four of our friends came back at the end of the activity. I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity. It was certainly very fun for me. Tomorrow we are going to do a similar activity, so I can't wait to see you guys again. I hope you have a lovely day further. Goodbye.